Hey, Jorg Ahoy here, acupuncture, LA Sports Acupuncture. Today I want to check out these Propriofoot foot plates. I just picked these up from Dr. Loke Rao at Pasadena Physical Therapy. Been following him on Instagram. He's posted some interesting stuff. So these are a series of plates designed to help with progressing exercises through the foot invented by a couple of French physiotherapists or kinesiotherapeuts, Jerome Bicry and Loïc Paris. I'm very excited to take these out and see what's happening. Something we got here, Propriofoot balance training for prevention and therapy. For improved stability and strengthening of the muscles of ankles and feet. As we know, ankles and feet are very important. We walk on them all the time. So we got 4 hard-colored plastic plates, exercise manual, directions. I'm sure I will learn a lot from that. So, brightly colored, hard plastic. So they have different nubs on the bottom, so this can be stable and you can rock in the forefoot or progress that way in the forefoot, do rotational things on that. I can't wait to try these guys out and see what's doing with this. Check them out.